name of Almighty Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Today's video, we will talk about the food movement in human stomach. The first question that arises in the mind of man, that is why the shape of the human stomach is formed in the form of the English letter J. Why isn't it square, rectangular, or round? There is a clear virtue in every work of Allah Almighty. And the formation of the human stomach in this form is an indescribable blessing for us. You must have read that the movement of sea water is due to the tidal wave, that is, one drop of water moves to second, the second moves the third, and the third moves the fourth. In this way, the water keeps moving, and this movement creates a wave, and all the seawater keeps moving. This movement does not cause odor in the water. In this movement of water, the light of the moon also plays a very important role. When the moon is at its full height, the waves are also at their height. When the moon is not at its full height, the sea waves are also dim and light. The same automated system works in the human stomach, which starts in our throat and continues to pass out of the body as waste. In medical practice, this movement is called peristalsis waves. Allah Almighty has created the human stomach in the English letter J, so that the food can move very easily and be distributed throughout the body as required. Otherwise it would be difficult in square or any other shape. These peristalsis waves start from our throat, from which the food moves to the stomach. After forms a kind of yeast in the stomach. This yeast moves to the small intestines with the help of these waves. In the small intestine, this yeast is absorbed into the blood. And what is left, that is, the rest of the food, moves through the large intestine and passes out through the anus. One thing to note here is that if you think that food is absorbed or digested by the stomach, you are absolutely wrong, because food is absorbed or digested in our body by the small intestine. The small intestines consist on very thin like hair on our heads, that are called alveoli in medical. These alveoli absorb our food. In small intestine, all the arteries of our blood pass through the place of the alveolar larynx, which absorb the food according to its need from here, and deliver under the circulatory system to the whole body, even in every single cell and hair of the body. This gives energy to our body, and enables our body to walk, think, understand and function. In today's video, we have read about the movement of food. In the next video, we will talk about structure of stomach, and what such things are included in the human stomach, which becomes yeast. If it is not included,